Hey guys, it's me, Rohan Singh, and today I'm going to talk about the chapter which I find the hardest in class 10 science. This chapter is none other than the infamous life processes. This is a chapter which is known by many students for its length. This is the longest science chapter in class 10th. No other chapter even comes close to the amount of pages this chapter has. It's insane. Like when I started reading this chapter, I was wondering, okay, when will this chapter end? But I kept reading and reading and turning all the pages, and soon enough I'd turned 15 pages and the chapter was still not ending. I started reading and trying to understand this chapter on a Thursday, and I ended up finishing it on a Monday. That's how long this chapter is. It never ends. I've had many friends who I've talked to who have had a similar experience. They first start learning the chapter and everything is going fine until the point you reach the 10th page and you're wondering, okay, when will this chapter end? But it never does, because you've got 10 more pages to go through, and probably even more if you want to learn extra things about it and get good marks in your exams. This chapter is not only difficult in length, it is also difficult in the amount of things you have to memorize. Every single page of this chapter is filled with more than 20 to 30 lines of nothing but intense rote memorization lines which you'll have to learn through rote memorization. It is not physically possible for a human being, especially someone who is 14-15 years old, to cram all that knowledge into the brain. And as a result, I think this chapter is very difficult. In the class 10th history book, there are history chapters which are smaller than this. It's insane the amount of knowledge you'll have to cram in your head. Is at first I thought, okay, it won't be that much. I've crammed a lot of history books, a lot of math books, I've crammed a lot of stuff in my head in the years I've studied, but this is unparalleled. I've never had so much difficulty in trying to understand a chapter, especially in science. Usually after one or two reads, I'm done with the chapter for a week, and till then I understand most of the concepts, if not all. But this is something else. Trying to understand every single thing, every single paragraph, every single fill in the blank section that might come. It's insanely hard to properly memorize every single thing in this chapter. Not only that, but it's not like this chapter is very long in length but it is easy. No, this is not easy. It has a lot of content which you'll have to memorize, a lot of content which you'll have to understand, all the way from the type of reproduction in asexual animals, type of reproduction in plants, type of reproduction in human beings, the internal organ system, the nervous system, photosynthesis, stomata, how blood pressure works, how the heart works, what is dialysis, how does an artificial kidney machine work, how does the kidney work, how does the urine system work. If this chapter was interesting, like some of the chapters in math and even history are interesting to a degree, and how interesting those subjects are makes up for their length, but this chapter is not like that. It's not really interesting, to be honest. You'll just have to memorize it by forcing yourself to do it, because, well, you have to understand it if you want to get good marks in the exams, and that's basically the main driving force in you memorizing this chapter, which is not that good. A child should be able to memorize this chapter solely because he or she wants to do it, because he or she is interested in doing it. But this chapter is not like that, and that is why many people have so much trouble with this chapter. It's because it is not interesting, and it just gets boring by the time you reach the 10th page. It even gets worse when you realize that there are 10 or 12 more pages left. Life processes for science is what trigonometry is for math. Both of them are very infamous subjects. They are hard to memorize, as they introduce some many new concepts. They are very large chapters, and understanding them takes a lot of time and effort, both with trigonometry and life processes. Of course, difficulty is subjective, and I'm sure there will be people in the comment section saying that I found life processes or trigonometry very easy, and if that's the case, then good for you. But many people out there, or especially the majority, agree with me in the sense that both life processes and trigonometry are incredibly difficult chapters of their respective subjects. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like if you enjoyed it, and goodbye.